Hello student, welcome again in the e-learning classes. In the continuation of the Cremignal Dravyas, today we will discuss about the plant Bakuchi. Bakuchi is a reputed drug to treat Kushta, and this is as a prime drug for skin diseases, especially for vitiligo. Botanically, it is known as Sorelia coryllifolia. The word Sorelia is derived from Greek word Sorelius, that means scabby. The external application of seed oil is extremely beneficial for every type of skin diseases. Nomenclature. The Latin name of this plant is Sorelia coryllifolia Linn, and it belongs to the family Fabaceae. In Hindi, it is called Babachi, and in English, it is known as Sorelia seed, Malaya tea, or scurf pea. Now, the vernacular names. Bakuchi in another regional languages, it is known as Habucha in Assamese. In Bengali, it is called Bukidana. In Gujarati, Bavachi. In Kannada, Somaraji. In Marathi, Babachi or Bhavachya. In Uriya, Bakuchi. In Punjabi, Babachi. In Tamil, Korpokarishi. In Telugu, Bhavanchalu, and in Urdu, Babichi. Classification of Bakuchi. In Charak, the plant Bakuchi is indicated in Tikta Skandha. In Shishruta, it is included in Kattu Varga. And in Bhavaprakash Nighantu, it is described in Haritakyadi Varga. Some synonyms. Avalgucha. The appearance of fruit of this plant is somewhat ugly. Next, Kalmeshi. The plant survives for long periods and has black fruits. Krishnaphala, again because the fruit of color is blackish in color, it is given the name Krishnaphala. Kushtagni, because it cures the Kushtha Rog. Malayu, it is very much effective in Shwitra or vitiligo disease. Putifala, because the fruits have very much foul smell. Shashi Lekha and Somraji, because the seeds have white streak. Suparnika, the plant bears beautiful leaves. And Shwitragni, because it is very much effective in treating Shwitra or vitiligo disease. Distribution. It grows throughout the plains of India, especially in the semi-arid regions of Rajasthan and eastern districts of Punjab adjoining Uttar Pradesh. Morphology. It is a small erect annual herb growing up to 60 to 120 cm in height with longitudinal striated stems and branches. Leaves. The leaves are simple, alternate in long petioled, ovate to round in shape. The apex are obtuse to mucronate. The margins are serrated. Surface covered with numerous black dots. Flowers. The color of flowers is bluish to purple in color, 10 to 13 number, and it is arranged in very much dense axillary racemes. Fruits. The pods of fruits about 5 mm long, in ovoid shape, single-seeded and indehiscent. It is slightly compressed, closely pitted, and the black-beaked without hairs. Seeds. The seeds are oblong, ovoid, or bean-shaped and flattened. The color is dark brown to blackish, hard and rough. 2 to 4 mm long and 2 to 3 mm broad, and thickness is 1 to 1.5 mm, with an agreeable aromatic odor and taste. Cultivation. The flowering time of Bakuchi is August to December. The fruiting time is November to December, and the propagation through seeds. Now, the Ras Panchaka, the property of Bakuchi. The Rasa is Tikta and Madhur. The Guna is Laghu Ruksha. The Virya is Ushna and Vipak is Katu. The prabhav of this plant is Shvitra Kushthanashaka and Doshagnata Vata Kapha Shamak. Some chemical constituents of Bakuchi: isosorelin, sorelin, soralidin, dehydroisosoralidin, bavacin, bakuchiol, bakuchisin, and corylefolin. Karma. The plant has many actions such as Kushtagna, antidermatosis, Jantugna, antibacterial, Vranashodhak or Vranaropak, wound purifiers and wound healers. Keshya, it is hair tonic. Nadivalya, it provides nervine strength. Deepan Pachan, it is stomachics and digestant. Anuloman, laxative. Krimigna, antihelminthics. Yakrit Uttejak, it is liver stimulant. And Shothahara, it is anti-inflammatory. Indications: it is useful in Mahakushta, major skin ailments; Shudra Kushta in minor skin diseases; Shvitra in leukoderma; Khalitya in alopecia; in Vrana, wounds; Nadi Daurbalya, nervine weakness; Agni Mandya, decreased digestive fire; Amdosha, undigested food; Vibandh, in constipation; Krimi, in worms; Swaskas, in asthma or kasa; Shotha, in inflammation; and in Pandu, anemia. Shloka of Bakuchi. Avalgujo Bakuchi Syat Somraji Suparnika. Shashilekha Krishnafala Soma Putifali Ticha. These are the synonyms of Bakuchi. Somvalli Kalmeshi Kushtagni Prakirtita Bakuchi Mathura Tikta Katupaka Rasayani. Vishtambhi Riddhima Ruchya Sara Shleshma Ashrapittanut Ruksha Hridya Swasukushtha Meh Jwar Krimi Pranut. The plant Bakuchi is Madhur and Tikta in rasa. Vipak is Katu, it is Rasayan. Vishtambhi, Ruchya, Sara and Kapha Pitta Nashak, it is Hridya. It is used in Swasa, Kushtha, Jvara, Meha and Krimi. Tatphalam Pittalam Kushtakaphanilarharam Katu Keshyam Tvacha Krimi Swasakas Shoth Am Pandunut. The fruit of this plant is used in Kushtha. It is Kapha Vatahara. It is Keshya. It is Tvachya. It is used in Krimi, Swaskash, Shoth, Am and Pandu. Therapeutic uses. In Shveta Kushtha or in Shvitra, the local application of paste Bakuchi seed powder and Adrak Swaras. And again Bakuchi oil on the affected part. The paste of Bakuchi powder with Hartal and Gomutra is also used externally. The paste of Bakuchi powder with coconut oil and karpur. Orally intake of 1 to 3 gram Bakuchi powder with Khadir Amla ki Kwath in Shwetakushtha or Shwitra. Again, the Bakuchi powder with Amla powder and Giloy Sattva with water. It is also used in Shwetakushtha or Shwitra. In Sarva Kushtha, the butter prepared with Bakuchi churna and milk with honey. Daily intake of 3 gram powder prepared by mixing equal quantity of neem leaves, haldi, pipali and Bakuchi beej with milk improves the skin texture and complexion. In Kamala, the Bakuchi powder mixed with Punarnava Mool Swaras. In Swasa, Bakuchi churna with Adrak Swaras and honey. In Palitya, the regular application of Bakuchi oil in hair follicles, it prevents hair fall, baldness, dandruff and graying of hairs. In Sarpavish, the Bakuchi Kalk is applied locally in scorpion sting and snake bite. The useful parts of Bakuchi is seed and seed oil. The doses are in the powder form 1 to 3 gram. Some formulations of Bakuchi: Shashi Shekhar Vati, Vrihat Somraji Tel and Somraji Ghrit. Toxicity or adverse effects. An overdose of the seed powder may cause nausea, vomiting, depression and headache. Precautions. Some precautions should be taken during the intake of Bakuchi. During the intake of Bakuchi, milk, ghee, butter should be used. Purification. It is recommended to dip Bakuchi seed into the cow's urine or juice of ginger. Substitution. Chakramardha, the Cassia tora, is used as the substitute of Bakuchi. Thank you, students. Thank you for hearing me patiently. Stay home and stay safe.